Hello guys, I will show you how to make hardscape jungle for Aquascape 60 centimeters. As usual, the first step is to assemble the stone for the initial foundation. I use andesite stone, or you can use other types of stone that are small in size. Before giving glue, I put a little fine powder between the stones, so that the glue sticks stronger. I use cyanoacrylate liquid glue. Alternatively, I apply fine powder to the stone, so that later when the glue is dripped it will immediately stick and dry quickly. Okay guys, I'm going to start installing wood. The wood I use is Trinil wood. Apart from the name Trinil wood, this wood is also often called sky root. Okay, before the glue is applied to the wood, fine powder has been applied to the wood so that the glue dries faster. Now I will start assembling wood, connecting from one wood to another. Okay guys, please follow the instructions on the video until the next step. If you have questions, please write your comments on this video. Okay guys, I'll continue the assembly process on the right. The method is the same as before, assembling stones and arranging wood. Oh, sorry guys, I'm having trouble. This hardscape is loose. I'll take it out and fix it. Oh, so a little broken guys. Okay, I'll fix all of this. Okay guys, to connect the top of the wood, I will put wood in this part. At each end of the wood, I always add fine powder to make the glue stick stronger. Okay, please follow the instructions on the video up to the steps. Okay guys, I'm going to install a smaller piece of wood than the front one. This method can give an eye illusion effect, namely the perspective effect. Sorry guys, after I observed, the back is less than ideal, so I changed it back. I'm going to add some tree trunks. Previously there were 3, I will install it into 4 sticks. Okay, I'll reattach the tree trunk. Okay, in order to make it easier to work on, I will remove the right and left box parts. And I proceed to the hanging root effect installation process. I use small roots. Before installing these roots, I have given fine powder and glue. Or you can apply glue on a log, then attach the small roots. Okay guys, please watch it until it's finished. If you have questions, please write them in the video comments. Okay, the hanging root installation process is complete. I proceed to the bottom of Hardscape. Okay guys, the hardscape assembly is complete. I'll move on to the process of giving a road effect in hardscape. I use silica sand. This silica sand has been given water to make it easier to apply. If the sand has been installed, the sand must be dried again, because later we'll give glue. Okay, I'm going to put a few drops of glue all over the sand to make it permanent. Okay guys, this project is almost finished. I will provide information that might disappoint you. Sorry for the video tutorial this time. I can't show the video review in full. Because I have lost the video review file, it was accidentally deleted. And this hardscape was sold to someone else before I could record it again. So, I say sorry, but I will show a video review of the tutorial that I made in the previous video tutorial. I was inspired by this hardscape, only the size is different. The hardscape in this video review is 40 centimeters in size. Okay guys, once again I apologize, and I thank you very much for watching. You all are amazing.